guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another crochet braid video, you guys. It's the color for me. Like, I love it, y'all. It's really, really big. So if you don't like big hair, I mean, this is probably not for you, but you saw it on the thumbnail, so you must have liked it, sis. So y'all, let's just jump right in. So first of all, shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending me this hair to review for y'all. This is the Freetress Braid 3X Shirley Curl in 18 inches. And this is the color T27. So this is a 427 mix, like 1B27, 4 mix at the top, and then just 27 at the bottom. So if y'all look up close, you can see how the top part is, the 27 starts at the top, but it's not a lot, and then it ombres down. So the top is not a 1B, which I'm sure y'all can tell because it does not match my edges. You guys can see my baby hairs and stuff here, but y'all, I was really nervous about this color because I could tell that it was not going to be a 1B at the top, and so I didn't know how that was going to look, but I actually really, really love it. And I think this color is just so gorgeous for summer. I actually really like blondes on me, even though I don't wear them a lot, but every time I like put on a blonde wig, I'm like, wow, like I should wear blonde more. So love it, y'all. So let's go ahead and jump right into me just unboxing the hair, and I'm going to show y'all just a little mini clip of me installing it. This is the tool that I will be using in the video. This is a jewelry beater. You guys can get this from Amazon, Walmart, Michaels. If you go to like Walmart or Michaels, it'll be in the jewelry department. Hair stores have them too. Sometimes they don't have these longer ones. They have like the short version, but these are used for like beads, putting beads on the ends of braids and twists and stuff. So you can find this at the beauty supply store too. Just look around in the front section, like by the combs and brushes and like accessories and stuff. So it should be up there. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump right into that. So that was just a little mini clip of me installing the hair and everything. I do have 2 videos where I show you guys like close up, slow motion, how to use this tool. I'm thinking about making a new video just because I have I've updated my like lighting and my camera and stuff. So let me know down below if you guys want me to make a new one. The technique is gonna be exactly the same, but I should be able to get like super zoomed in and like really slow it down so you guys can see it'll be like really crisp, good quality. So just let me know down below if you guys want to see that. And someone asked about my braiding pattern. two on another crochet braid video, my braiding pattern is always the same, you guys. 14 braids straight back. Occasionally I crisscross the middle and I loop mine into the next one. So when I braid, and I'm thinking about doing a video on this too, let me know if you guys want that, a best like crochet braiding pattern, because that's really what it is, because that's all I use all the time. So yeah, so basically I just braid it, and then when I stop like right here, I'll braid the next one, and then I'll take this part and loop it up and then braid it into the next, and then just keep going until I get to the middle, and then I'll be able to just loop up that one single braid, just like intertwine into my cornrow, and I just use this little beader to do that. You can sew it if you want, but it's super easy to just loop it in with the beader, and it never comes out or anything like that. So yeah, really easy. So you guys, I really love it. I really, really love it. I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. It is really, really big, you guys. So this is like fresh. I just finished this install. This is basically what, and I haven't cut it either. So this is what it looks just straight when you're done. No product, nothing. So the crochet braid hair, I split into 4 pieces. You guys saw me just split it into 2. So then I took each of those and split it again, so that one piece would equal 4. And that's how I space my hair out, and that's why it's super big. Now, you don't have to do that. You can install them as one piece, just straight out of the pack. You can take the one piece, split it into 2, which is probably the most common, just taking the one piece and splitting it into 2. I don't like to use an excessive amount of hair. It gets really, really heavy. I do not like heavy styles. I cannot tolerate heavy styles. I will get a migraine like that, and it'll just have been a waste of a hairstyle because I'm gonna have to take it out. So I always split the hair, and I ended up using 2 and like a little bit of the 3rd pack. So the packs are separated kind of like in 3s. It's why it's called 3X. You get 3 bundles, so like 1, 2, 3. So I use just 1 of those out of the 3rd pack. So yeah, you can definitely get away with 2. Just make sure if you split it the way I'm telling you to split it, or the way that I split it, which is into 4, 2 packs is enough. Just make sure that you space it out properly, and you know, you can kind of use the 2-finger rule in the back, space it out like 2 finger widths apart in the back, and then probably like 1 finger width apart in the front. You can put them super tight and make them super close together if you want. That's on you, but I do like to space mine just a little bit to, like I said, avoid having to use so much hair and having it get really, really heavy. So yeah, it also, like I mentioned, this hair does not have any product on it right now, like nothing at all, and I don't think I'm gonna put anything either. I pretty much stopped adding products to my crochet braid hair, except for just like a spray, and that will be like the Cantu spray I normally use. It's called the Shine and Hold Mist. Yeah, really easy to find. It's normally at Walmart, and it's pretty cheap, like $5, $6, and that's pretty much all I use on my hair. So what I'm gonna do is actually twist my hair in 2-strand twist all over my head. Now, I try to do this every night, not as many. I normally do, I'll probably do 4, like 2 on this side, 2 on this side, before I go to sleep at night. That helps to like preserve the hair at night while you're sleeping in it, because even if you put a bonnet on, if it's just like not twisted, it's still just like kind of everywhere inside the bonnet. So it helps to maintain the curl pattern if you do twist it up at night. However, what I'm going to do, since this is night 1, is I'm gonna do several twists. So I'll probably end up doing about 10, probably about 5 on this side and 5 on this side, and just spray a little bit of that Shine and Hold Mist, do the 2-strand twist, and then just like put my scarf on and be done, and just like let that sit overnight, and that will help to tame the hair a little bit. It's still gonna be big. It's big hair. If that's not for you, then I would say, and you want to do this style, I would say just don't split it. It probably will be a little heavy, but if you don't split the hair, it'll definitely be more uniformed and look like the stock card. However, this is for me. This is for me, like, and the color, it's everything. So I'm really excited, you guys. I really don't have anything bad to say. The texture is beautiful. It is a soft, like yaki texture. It is not silky by any means. And that's one of the reasons that it's easier to split. If you guys have used Freetress hair before, a lot of their hairs, especially like the water wave, like bohemian curl, you know, the different hairs that they have, the older ones, the silky texture like single pack ones, those are silky and those are pretty difficult to split, and they can get really tangled and start matting up if you try to split them into different pieces. However, this, like I said, soft, kind of natural texture, splits really, really nicely, you guys. And if you have trouble splitting it, just pull it, and then just, you know, you can just cut off the end if that part gets like matted up, or, you know, it loses its curl when you split it. No big deal. It happened to me on just a few of my pieces, but nothing to be concerned with at all. So I think I pretty much told you guys everything about the way I'm gonna sleep with it, the specs on the hair, the length. You guys can see how long it is. Let me go ahead and show y'all the back. So yeah, you guys, let me know what y'all think down below. If you have tried this hair before, comment that down below as well, sis, because let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you rocked it, because it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay, period. So I'm done, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up because it's lit. Like, let me know y'all like this. Subscribe on your way out. And also the robe I was wearing is of course from my loungewear line. Well, I won't say line, but loungewear store, ajofficial.com. I will put that down below for you guys. And yeah, shout out to Sam's Beauty again for sending me this hair to review. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.